Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the hardware can do dual outputs. On your phone or computer, open sound settings and verify Bluetooth audio is active. Make sure the aux jack or USB audio is recognized. Once paired, plug the 3.5 mm cable into the speaker or splitter. This creates the physical path. Make sure volume is low before testing so you don't damage speakers. You're laying the groundwork now. Accurate device recognition prevents common conflicts later when routing audio simultaneously. Now route the actual audio. On your computer, enable Stereo Mix or open an audio routing app to duplicate the output to both Bluetooth and the aux device. On Android, enable Dual Audio or Bluetooth Multipoint if supported. Once done, adjust sample rates and buffer sizes to reduce latency mismatch between wireless and wired outputs. If software routing isn't available, a simple analog splitter or a USB audio interface will mirror sound directly. Make sure levels match so one source doesn't overpower the other. Finish by testing playback with varied content. Music and spoken word reveal sync and balance issues. You should adjust delay compensation or buffer settings to align Bluetooth lag with aux output. Many routers offer a small millisecond shift. If audio cuts out, repair the Bluetooth device, swap the 3.5 mm cable, and reboot the sound service or device. Make sure firmware is current. And remember, when minimal latency is critical, video or gaming, prefer wired duplication over Bluetooth every time to avoid audible lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.